So let us understand the second concept from this chapter, that is complementary event. So what is the meaning of complementary event? So suppose there is an event E. So not happening of that event is called as complementary event. So complementary event is given by the letter, or it is given by the notation E bar. So E bar is the complementary event of E, or it can also be written as not E or E dash. So these are the notations for complementary event. So suppose if E is the event, then E bar is nothing but it is not E. So it is a complement of event E. Complement of event E. So now let us understand this event and complement of event with the help of some examples. Suppose the event E is India winning the match. India winning the match. What will be the complement of this event? So the complement of this event will be India not winning the match. So any other example, like if we take the event as it will rain today. So the complement of this event will be it will not rain today. So this is the complement event. E bar is the complement event. So it will not rain. So not happening of certain event is called as complement event. So now let us see how the probabilities of these two events are related. Suppose if we take PE is the probability of the event, the given event. So this PE is the probability of event E, and PE bar is the probability of the complement event. So this is the probability of complement event, that is E bar. So how E and E bar is related? So this is a formula which relates the probabilities of these two. So probability of event E plus probability of complement of the event E will be always equal to 1. So this is a formula which relates the probability and its complement. So from this we can find out what is the probability of the complement of event E. So the probability of the complement of event E is 1 minus probability of E. So this is a very important formula to find out the probability of a complementary event. So now let us understand this formula with the help of some examples. So let us take the example 5 from the NCERT. So example 5 says there are two players, Sangeeta and Reshma. So Sangeeta and Reshma, so they are playing a match, and the probability of Sangeeta and Reshma plays a match, and it is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. So probability of Sangeeta winning, they have given it as 0.62. So you have to find out the probability of Reshma winning the match. Probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. So what is the probability of Reshma winning the match? So this is a question asked. So this is a complementary event. So when will Reshma win the match? When Sangeeta doesn't win the match. So find the probability of Sangeeta not winning the match. So that will give you the probability of Reshma winning the match. So the given thing is probability of Sangeeta winning. So the probability of Sangeeta winning the match they have given as 0.62. So now let us find out the complement of this event. So probability of Sangeeta not winning. So probability of Sangeeta not winning is equal to 1 minus probability of Sangeeta winning the match. So this is a formula. So not winning is always 1 minus the happening of that event. So the probability of Sangeeta not winning is 1 minus 0.62. So that is equal to 0.38. So probability of Sangeeta not winning is nothing but the probability of Rashmi winning. So you can write the probability of Rashmi winning the match is equal to 0.8. So you can generalize it by saying the probability of Rashmi winning is equal to probability of Sangeeta not winning. So the answer of Rashmi winning or Sangeeta not winning is same, that is 0.38. So this is the application of complementary event.